Hi guys, welcome to Encyclohub. In this video, we're discussing the social science paper of NIOS class 10. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number so that we will provide all the answers on your WhatsApp. Here the question number 1 to 6, which are about to 40 to 60 word. Question number 1, question number 2, and question number 3 all are you need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5 you need to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 you need to write in the 500 words. And amazingly, we have prepared all the answers in the PDF in and handwritten. So if you want this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number and we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video. Thank you.